Hello, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to compile and run C programs in the Linux terminal. So to start, if you don't already have it installed, you're going to want to install something called GCC or the GNU Compiler Collection. This will act as the compiler for the C program. You can install it by typing sudo apt install GCC. And then type your password, and then just let it install. It won't take long. And then from there, you're going to want to navigate to the folder that the program is in, which for me is in the desktop, and then a folder named C files. From there, you can compile the program by typing gcc, the file name.c, -o, and then the file name. And if your program includes any other libraries besides the IO library, like the math library, then you're going to want to add the respective linker flag. Here are a couple of the common ones. And then to actually run the program, you're going to want to do period, /, and then the file name. Then your program will be compiled and run. If you found this tutorial to be helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and if you have any ideas for a future tutorial, please let me know in the comments. That will be all. Have a great day.